Hey guys, what's up? It's Art from AppFind and AppleWisdom.com here, and today I'm going to be doing my list of the top essential new iPad apps. Now there's a ton of cool apps in here, from all the different stuff, from Vnc apps to web apps, PDF readers to music apps. Ton of cool stuff. Now if you guys want to check out the games video, the top essential games, you can actually check that out right up over here. Click the annotation link when it's out. And that'll be all the games. This is all the cool apps. Now this is going to be a longer video, might be over 10 minutes. I don't know exactly how long it's going to be starting out. But you definitely want to have some time on your hands to get ready for this cool list we've spent a ton of time working on. So check it out. If you have your own apps to add, leave them in the comments section below. I look forward to reading all of them. And so let's get started. I've broken the list down into multiple categories. The first one we have right here is photography. Now, the must-have photography app definitely is Iphoto. Now, it will cost you $4.99 in the App Store, but it is developed amazingly, really great app, and it is just really put together so well. It's got everything you could want, from editing, like there's auto enhance, a bunch of different editing stuff, like color changes, alright, like you can change the green, make it look a little better. All different kinds of color stuff that you can add in here, so you can change the color, just like that. It looks really great, it works really well, it really makes your photos pop, and gives it that extra flair, and for only $4.99, not only do you get the editing, albums, you also get the ability to add different events and journals in the form of like an image journal, which is really great. Definitely a really great app, highly recommend checking it out. Another great photography app is Snapseed. Now this app is just so amazing. It's got tons of cool features. One of the cool things that it has is all these different filters that you can add. Now let's just take a look at the black and white filters. Now this is probably one of the simplest filters, but this filter inside of Snapseed just makes it so amazing. You can choose from different styles, and it really just adds a great look to the photo. I mean, if you take a look, there's a big difference from style 1 to style 6. It makes it a whole different picture that tells a whole different story. And you can even compare it from the original. That's what it looked like originally. That's what it looks like now. It definitely, it makes it a whole new picture just by using some of these cool effects, all available inside of Snapseed. Another great app is Photo Manager Pro. Now this app will actually let you take all these different folders and stuff and be able to store all of your images in here, lock them, upload them to a server, alright, and you'll be able to download them on your computer, and it's secure, so you don't have to worry about other people, getting a hold of it or whatever. You can add tons of different folders. It's just a really great all-around app for storing your photos. That's like one of the first downloads you need to get besides Iphoto in the photography section. Now, Halftone, this is more, I added this more towards the end of the list of the photography apps because it's more of a fun photography app, less of a really useful one, but it definitely is pretty fun to do. Alright, so let's see. If we choose a photo here, and just choose that photo, what you'll be able to do is apply a ton of different effects to it, and, just makes it look really cool. Let's add like code red. See, that's a pretty cool effect. Saturation, different colors, sharpen it. When you hit done, what you'll be able to do is just load it right up in Halftone. And I think it's really cool because of the fact that you can actually turn it into like your own little cartoon. So you can, edit this stuff, change whatever you want, choose different colors, change the text at the bottom. All in all, I think this is just really cool, a really fun app. So yeah, this is Halftone, really great app. Now, Pimp My Screen. This is definitely one of the top apps you're going to want to download. It'll let you have the app shelves, which are all different kinds of backgrounds. Now look at that. That's a really cool background that you can have. That it just looks really well, works really well with the iPad. So yeah, I highly recommend checking that one out as well. Alright, let's go on to utilities. There are definitely some great utilities in here. Log Me in Ignition, what this will let you do is log you in to, pretty much wherever you want to go using your computer and stuff, it'll instantly let you log into your PC or Mac using your mobile device. That's actually really cool, and it works really well. Now, there is Travel Interpreter. What this will let you do is, and I actually made a review on this for the iPhone, but this will let you learn basics of translations, like first need phrases. There's a ton of different stuff in here. So let's see. Let's choose into French. So let's go basics, first need phrases. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
And it speaks it for you. Can't really get much better than that.
Merci beaucoup.
You go into here, it shows a picture. So not only do you have the picture, the text, and the person actually speaking it, they're all combined. So really, this guarantees that people are going to be able to understand you. Evernote, as you guys know, Evernote will let you be able to add notes right to your device and be able to view them on your computer and stuff. That's really great all around. Adobe Reader doesn't need much explanation. It is a PDF style reader, and it works really well. 1Password. Now this is actually the iPhone version. But this is still great. I wanted to add this into here as well. What you'll be able to do is set unlock code, set master passcode, and keep all of your passwords in one app, and so you'll be able to get to them whenever you need them. Another great app is USB Disk Pro. Now, this is the iPhone version. There is an iPad version available, but I highly recommend checking out the iPad version. But anyways, guys, this will just give you a gist of what it is. It'll let you store files on here. Works really well. Pretty much the difference between the iPad and the iPhone is it has the Retina display and stuff. But it's still pretty cool either way. Wunderlist, what this lets you do is lets you add a bunch of different lists to your iPad itself. It's really great, and it can replace your Reminders app. It works a lot better. Find Your iPhone, that's obviously, one of the apps that you really need to get, because if you ever lose your iPad or your iPhone or anything that you keep it on, you'll be able to track it down where it is, turn it off remotely. Works especially for the iPad where it's not connected to a connection, where you can't get your carrier to shut off the thing or whatever. It'll still have your files on. You can wipe it clean, all that good stuff right in that app. This is USB Sharp Disk. And what this will let you do is pretty much do the same thing as the other USB disk, and you'll be able to add in the Wi-Fi and stuff and connect all of this right in your device itself. That works really well, and you'll be able to pretty much use it as a standard USB disk. Remote. What this will let you do is it'll play all your music in your iTunes library on your computer. That's definitely a really great app to use because, hey, if you got all this music on your computer, you don't really need to clutter up your iPad storing all your music on there. So you can actually just play it right to your iPad from your computer itself. Weather Plus is probably the best weather app that you're going to get. You can see the weather in your local area. This is in LA. But you can pretty much see whatever the weather is, it'll show the weather in the background. And that's just really cool. It just looks so cool that it'll be able to show the weather in the background. And of course you guys can see the forecast and different stuff. But the cool thing is it's customizable, so you can choose the layout, choose the settings, even more cool stuff and features all right in here. And the backgrounds pretty much makes the app just so amazing. Gmail. Pretty much goes for itself. Just connect to your Gmail account and you'll be able to use the Gmail app. Never have to use your email app again because the regular email app isn't that great. The Gmail app is pretty cool. So let's check out some web and VNC stuff. I never leave anywhere without the Remote or Vnc app because this will let you connect to your computer anywhere at all. It works better if you're in the network, but it'll also go over SSH connections. So really, it lets you connect to your desktop from pretty much any location. It works really well, and I highly recommend checking that out. Now, Mercury web browser is probably the best web browser other than Safari. It has tons of different cool gestures. You have a little home page. You can add quick links in here. You can pretty much go over here. Let's see. One of the cool features it has is if you go to, say, Google.com, and I don't really know where else to go. Let's see. Google.com. If you go to Google.com or wherever, you'll be able just to click this one small little button. It pops up this ring. This ring will let you do pretty much everything. There's settings, increase the font size, make it a little bigger. You can add a new tab, you can delete the tab, a new tab right there. Put in whatever you want. It's just got all kinds of stuff right in there. More features than I can say right now. Alright, Readability. This is definitely by far one of the best apps. You actually do have to sign up or log in. But it is absolutely free. You can make a $4.99 donation, $4.99, and that donation will just go to help it. But basically, you'll be able to save web pages right on your iPad without having to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. It works really well and it looks pretty cool. Dictionary.com, you know, goes without saying. You got a dictionary right there. And welcome. Yep. Wikipanion, it'll let you look up Wikipedia right here instantly. This is a free app. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's check out some movies and books app. If you're looking for some great movies, obviously Netflix will be that choice for you. Whether you're managing the queue or, you know, you're watching instant streaming videos, Netflix just definitely works out as one of the best apps out there for being able to stream videos, watch videos, have all the videos, and manage your queue all at the same time. It works out really well. Now there is the Kindle, and this will let you turn your iPad into a Kindle. You'll be able to download all the Amazon ebooks. Now if you don't want Amazon ebooks and you want Apple ebooks, you can get the iBooks app. iBooks 2.0 is actually integrated with textbooks, so you'll be able to get textbooks on here as well, which is definitely really awesome. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the cool music apps that are incorporated into here as well, which you might want to download. SoundHound. Now, you can either get regular SoundHound or SoundHound Infinity. What this will let you do is, whenever you're listening to music, if you go to the home here, you can just tap right there, it'll listen to the song, and it'll tell you what song it is. So that's definitely a really cool feature added right into this. Downcast lets you manage all your podcasts. It just works out so well. You'll be able to add new podcasts, and you'll be able to browse all the different podcasts, but it'll download the podcasts on here automatically, and it'll tell you when it downloaded them, and that's a lot better than having to sync to iTunes or having to go into the iTunes store right on your iPad. You'll be able to get them all right in here, which is definitely a really cool feature. And who can forget Vivo HD, which will let you watch all those cool music videos, and Pandora Radio. Don't really have to explain Pandora Radio. It lets you listen to all different kinds of music, the whole song. It'll choose stuff for you. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's check out some news and reader apps. Now let's check out the news and reviews category of apps. Now there is NPR News, and if you load that, it'll actually start playing the audio. I don't want to have that in the video, but it loads up some audio of NPR News. The Huffington Post, it'll let you take a look. You can either do the classic or the news glide. I like the news glide because look at this. It just looks really cool. You can change all these different settings. Exit out of there. You can see all the different top stories and stuff, and that's pretty cool. Goodreads. You're looking for what the best books are in your iBooks or Amazon books. You'll be able to log into Goodreads and be able to look at all the reviews for your favorite books. IMDb is pretty much the same thing, but reviews for all the movies that you're going to want to get. There is Slate, which is news as well. So yeah. Now let's take a look at some of the social apps that you're probably going to want to add. So in the social apps, there's obviously Facebook. Don't forget, guys, to go to facebook.com/AppFind and like AppFind on Facebook to get updates right on Facebook of when AppFind adds new cool videos. There's also Reddit, iReddit, which will let you take a look at all the latest stuff on Reddit itself. Twitter, which will let you obviously take a look at Twitter. Great app as well. And Skype, which will let you sign into your Skype account and be able to Skype people. And the last one is shopping. You can get Amazon Shopping Cart. You can buy stuff on Amazon. And Groupon. And Groupon will obviously let you get some really cool coupons for really cheap. And sometimes free. So yeah, those are all the top essential new iPad apps. Do you guys like the video? Do you have your own apps that you didn't see in this video? Just leave in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends if you think, they have a new iPad and they might want to get some cool apps as well. Don't forget to check out my Top Essential Games video over here when it comes out. And I'll see you guys later. I'm Matt from AppFind and AppleWisdom.com. Bye.